Hello friends, a warm welcome to my video blog. I am Dr. Raj Shekhar and today I want to talk to you about formula for success. What I know is that success is a three-step formula. It involves firstly having the right mindset and then having a plan of action, and number three, it requires us to be in the activity zone. And all these three need to be present. None of these in isolation can help us. And all of these have to be present in this sequence. But today, I want to talk to you about the right mindset. The first thing about the right mindset is to have a clarity of vision. Where it is that I want to go. What are my dreams, my goals? Why am I working on this project, whichever it is that you have taken up? What is my destination? Imagine starting on a journey in which there is no destination. We will never even start. Imagine starting your car and going out on the road but not knowing where you are headed. You will burn a lot of petrol for nothing. So the first thing is to get that clarity. What do I want? A month from now, maybe 6 months from now, or maybe 2 years, maybe 5 years. But once you have that clarity, that is when the journey starts. Once you have that clarity, the next thing that you need is belief. Belief about yourself, that I can achieve it, that it is meant to be. I may not have the resources, the skills, but I can figure it out. It is meant to be, it can happen. If I don't have that belief, I will never even start. So the next important thing is to have that belief. Now once I have the clarity of vision and this belief, and then I start putting a plan into action, when I start creating the plan, that's when the next challenge comes, which is about prioritization. Many times when we don't have the belief, we don't prioritize our action. We don't start doing things. We are waiting for the right time to start action. We are waiting to get ready, to get prepared. We procrastinate. The most important thing is to start action, to start doing things. Don't wait for the right moment. There is no such thing. Learn in the process. Take feedback. Learn through mistakes. So that is one thing. To overcome procrastination, prioritize your activities. And the next thing is to prioritize your activities over laziness. We human beings are inherently lazy. Overcome your laziness. And the next thing that you need to prioritize is over your other hundreds and millions of things that will crowd you, will prevent you from focusing on your dream project. There are many important and urgent things which will come up. But if you are in the right mindset, you will anticipate, you will schedule, you will manage your time and make sure that you take out time to work on your project. So prioritization is the next important thing in developing the right mindset. The fourth important thing, probably the most important thing, is ownership. Without ownership, there is nothing. The dream is my child and I am the mother. The mother never goes to sleep. The mother never takes a break. I might delegate a task. I may not be able to do everything, but I never delegate ownership. Even if somebody else is doing the task, I watch like a hawk. I back them up. I never say that it didn't work out because somebody else was doing. I never blame. I never complain. I make sure that things get done. That is what a mother does. A mother never passes the buck. Ownership means that you never give up. Ownership means that you are consistent. Ownership means that you are focused and that you never ever give up. Ownership means that if it is to be, it is up to me. And when you take ownership for your dream, when you take ownership for your plan of action, when you take ownership for your activities, when you take ownership for the results, that's when you take ownership for your success. That's when you can say that I achieved it. Otherwise, it's nothing but a fluke. And if you want success, take ownership for everything. This is the message I wanted to deliver to you. I hope it made a lot of difference to your thinking. I love talking to you. I'll see you again. Bye.